Hi, I'm Arjun. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up a new account at dl.surf. So let's get started. So first thing, you have to visit dl.surf, and here at the top right corner you will find an option that says login. So simply click over there, and here just above the login form you can find a button that says sign up. So simply click over there, or you can also choose to continue with Google, which is pretty convenient. For now, I will sign up with email. So here, you will need to enter your full name, your email, and your password. Here, make sure that your password meets our minimum criteria. And once you fill all of these details, it's done. Now, to fully activate your account and use all the features that we offer, you must verify your email. So simply check your email and you can find a verification button. So simply click over there and your account will be verified and fully ready to use. Thank you.